Hi guys, Monday 17th of October, charity shop Gold or Garbage out at Yate. First of all, we'll cover off these two things which are nothing to do with charity shops. Just bought them in Tesco. Suction hooks, handy for sticking things to windows. And nail brushes. I did a bristle bot the other day, a Halloween related one, and I mentioned to one of the comments that you could just as easily do it with ordinary brushes, so I thought I'd do a bristle bot with some cheap nail brushes, so that'll be a separate video. Right, not a lot caught my eye today, to be honest. In fact, quite a few days now I haven't seen anything I really wanted to buy. There's a couple of video clips I'll add to the end of this one just to show you some stuff that did catch my eye on previous outings. So what have we got here? These things, Disney Infinity. Is it Xbox they fit on? They fit on a little arena thing, and they've got these, I was going to call them an RFID tag underneath that would pick up the signal, or the coil in the base would detect these and it would affect the game you're playing. I think you could play with different characters if you put these on the arena. I just thought I'd buy them because they're only 50p each. See if I can take it apart and have a closer look at the RFID tag. See if there's anything I can possibly do with it. Probably not, but it'll be interesting just to have a little peek inside. Being as these are clear, there really isn't very much to see inside that you can't see from the bottom. But it'd be nice to be able to look at the top. And then the other thing I bought was this. A very big box with very little inside it. There was probably a kit inside it that you put together. Wonders of Discovery, STEM, Physics and First Introduction to Science, Educational Tin Set. Physics reference book, sticker book, always good to have a sticker book. Discovery Physics wall chart and pressure powered car kit. That's what caught my eye. And there it is. I'm guessing you probably had to put it together. And we will definitely have to read the instructions. But this reminds me a bit of a video that Tom Stanton did. Pressure powered car. He was using the syringe as a pressure source. Well, I don't need to describe that. I'll put a link to his video in the video description. But yes, that's... Oh, it does work. Oh... Oh, that is brilliant. So, put the pressure on it. I think we've got some pressure releasing somewhere. Maybe read the instructions, Grandad, and see how it works. I see that we can adjust the steering easily. So you can get it to go straight or turn. I like that. That's ever so simple. There's so many things on here I just like the look of. So for £1.75, I thought we'd have it. We'll have a look at that again in a minute. Let's see what else we've got. We've got the bag. We've got the instructions. The star sponge inside the air tank changes size when the air inside the tank is compressed. I'm not seeing that. Still, we'll play that. Yes, it was a kit that's already been assembled, obviously. This is brilliant. I love this. Insert the other syringe in the front to add more air. Ah. Right, we've only got one syringe, but I got plenty of syringes. That's rubber tyres for the wheels. This is brilliant. I'm sorry, I'm just sort of reading it. I might have to edit some of this out while I'm just looking at it. Air pressure, warm water, all sorts of air pressure things you can do here. There's even a little capsule that's supposed to go on the end to make a rocket. That's missing. And then we got a wall chart. Oh, wow. Yeah. A big wall chart. This looks like a sort of thing that a teacher would have at school, doesn't it? Sticker book. There's the stickers. Oh, that's brilliant. Right, okay, well, I'll see if I've got another syringe and we might just give that a little run.
Makes your colour look better, doesn't it? That's really nice, isn't it?
It's very nice.
Quite nice and thick as well, isn't it?
Yes, well that's just what 15 pounds.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It's very nice. Just showing it one size. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.